Hi guys, I hope you're ready for another day of maths. Today we're still subtracting with rename and we're going to keep doing more practice until we have this perfect. So the first question we're looking at, I'm going to use base 10 for this, and then we're going to start trying to see how the base 10 would look in column method. So 324 take away 173. So have a think, which number out of these two do I need to make using my base 10 to start this calculation? So I need to make 324 because that's what I'm starting with. So let's have 1, 2, 300, 2 tens, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and easy. So when we're taking away, the same as when we're adding, we start with the ones. So we're taking away 3. So we've got 4 ones, we'll take away 1, 2, 3. That was nice and easy. But now, once we've done our ones, we want to do our tens. So we only have 2 tens, but we want to take away 7. So I can't really do that at the minute. What do you think I'm going to do? Now yesterday, whenever we were taking away from the ones and we didn't have enough ones, we regrouped one of the 10 blocks into 10 ones and then took away. So if we don't have enough tens, we're going to regroup from the hundreds. So we're going to swap one of our hundreds blocks for 10 tens. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just about fit them all on the page. You can't really see the other question now. So we started with 2 and we added 10 from one of the hundreds, so we should have 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. Now we can start to take away the 7. So let's count them one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we took away all the 10s, we need 2. And finally, we've done our 1s, done the 10s, we need to take away the 100s. We need to take away 100. So 100 is gone. Now we can count up how many we have left. It's not in the right order. We have 100 left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens left. And we have 1 left. So our answer is 324 take away 173 is 151. Fantastic. Now let's see how we can do regrouping in column method when we're subtracting. So I'm going to do base 10 at the same time so you can see each step. We're starting with 408. So we need to make 400. 1, 2, 3, 4. 400 and no 10s but 8 ones. So 1, I'll put them on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now remember, whenever you're writing your column method, the first number in your number sentence has to go at the top of your column method. Okay, because that's the number you're starting with, this is the number you're starting with. Now when we're subtracting, we always start from the ones. So 8 take away 4. Easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. So rather than counting up right at the end, we're just going to do it each step. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones left. So we can put 8 take away 4, we can put the 4 in there. Oh. Sorry, my pen's not working for me today. Now we need to move on to our tens. Now we started with 0 tens and we need to take away 3. But how can I take away 3 if I don't have anything to begin with? So what we're going to do, the same as the first question, is we're going to regroup 100 into 10 tens. So we've got 1, 2, I'll put them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what this would look like in our column method is, I'll do it in red so you can clearly see, is we have on our hundreds column, we have regrouped one of the hundreds into 10 tens. So we don't have 0 tens anymore. So we cross out the 0, we now have 10 tens. We don't have 4 hundreds anymore. We have 1, 2, 3 hundreds now. Okay, so now we've got our 10 tens, we can take 3 away. So we're going to take these 3, 1, 2, 3, take away, and count how many tens have we got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. So we've got 7 tens left. Now we've finished our tens, we can do our ones. So we now have 3 tens, because remember we regrouped one of the hundreds. We've got 3 hundreds because we regrouped one into the tens column. So 3, take away 1. 1, 2, 3, take away 1. I'm sure you can do that in your head though. Is obviously 2. So what number have we been left with? We've got 2 hundreds, 7 tens and 4 ones. This pen. 274. Perfect. Now I'm going to show you, if you haven't got your own base 10, how you can draw them. So we're starting with 724. So 724 should be on the top line. Remember, we don't need to make the other number because we're taking it away, not adding it on. So we'll start with 700s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 2 tens, 1, 2, and we've got 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we're ready. I've got my base 10 drawn out. I'm ready to start subtracting. So 4, take away 1, easy peasy. This pen is testing my patience today, year 3. Squiggle out one of the ones, so we've got 1, 2, 3 ones left. Now in our tens, 2 take away 3. I can't take away 3 if I only have 2. I just can't do it yet. So what I'm going to have to do is to regroup one of the hundreds into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens. So if I started with 2 and I've added 10, how many should I have now? I should have 12. So let's count just to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. So now I have enough. I can subtract 3. Let's go them out. 1, 2, 3. How many tens have I got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. So 90 left. And finally, 7 take away nothing. Don't need to do anything. But what did we forget to do? Do we actually have 7 tens? No, we've got 6 here. So what's happened? What have we forgot to do? We forgot to do in our column method that we actually regrouped the 7 and changed our 2 into 12. So now we only have 600s left. You can see how important it is to cross these out as you're going through, because if you weren't using base 10 and you forgot to cross that out, you would think there were 7, but there's actually only 6. So 6 take away nothing is still 6. I'm just going to use the red pen, I think, for now, because it doesn't keep popping back. So we've got 600s, 9 tens, which is 90, and 3 ones. So 693. Now, so for our final question, and we're not going to use base 10 for this one, I'm just going to see if we can remember the steps just by using our column method. So where do we start? So we're doing 801, take away 170. Always start with the 1. So 1, take away 0. Oh, what an easy question to start with. 1. Now we've got 0, take away 7. We've got nothing to start with. I can't then take away 7 from it, so I'm going to have to regroup from the hundreds column and turn it into 10 tens, which is going to leave me with 1 less 100, which 1 less than 8 is going to be 7. So So now I can take away. So 10 take away 7 will leave me with 3 10s, and then 7 take away 1 is going to be 6. So what's our answer? 600, 3 10s and 1 1. 631. Now I purposely haven't written the number sentence for this, because let's see if we can work out. Should the number sentence be 801 take away 170 equals 631? Should it be 170 take away 801 equals 631? Or does it not matter? Does it not matter which way around it is? What do you think? So it should be 801 take away 170, because remember, the bigger number should be at the start, and the number that's at the top of our column method should be at the start of our number sentence. This one is not true. If we did that one, it would be a minus number, but this one is true. Okay, so it's not like adding. It does matter. Be careful which way around you put your numbers in your number sentence.